Hi everybody, this is Kevin Tate with Learn a Trade Academy. My channel, Learn a Trade, is a project that I'm working on to kind of give back to the community and also contribute to some of the fellow veterans out there that might be looking for employment in the commercial food equipment, HVAC or refrigeration field. I'm a veteran myself of 11 years in the U.S. Army. I got out and I got into commercial food equipment repair and maintenance with various companies, and also on my own as a private contractor. And I wanted to start something that would be able to give those that can't afford to go to some of these trade schools and learn the trades, a chance to give them a chance to get the knowledge and the resources to possibly train on their own, train online, and acquire their certifications that they need, and also in the midst of that apply for jobs and get employed in the field. Learn a Trade will be I'll be giving some instructions on, number one, the tools that are needed to get into the field of say commercial food equipment, which is everywhere right now. You have all of your convenience stores that have coolers, stoves, ovens, microwaves, coffee brewers, the Slurpee machines that you're all aware of, ice makers and soda machines, all kinds of equipment that needs to be repaired and maintained. So there's always employment in the field of commercial food equipment repair. So Learn a Trade, I'm going to be starting off, this is just like an introduction video to introduce you to myself and to Learn a Trade and what it's all about. But what I'll be starting off with is basically getting into showing you the tools that are needed, going over some of the specifications that you need education-wise, and also some online resources that you can utilize to get your EPA certification. And in certain states you need your contractor's license and stuff like that. And also I will be bringing on some professionals in the field that I work along with, or that I have worked with in the past. I'll be bringing them in also to just to do like interviews, so they can kind of tell their story, and then also give you some insight on how to go about getting employment and finding these contracts out in the field. So right now, basically, I'm just putting this out as an introduction, and asking those that are interested to also look at the material that I provide, and then take down notes. Also, I'm not very fluent with the computer work right now, as far as putting up links and stuff like that. But I will, when I do acquire that skill, I will be putting up some links on places you could go to get started and get into your process of getting your certification. And also another thing I wanted to specify on this introduction is, in the industry, it's not really it's not a lot of women in the industry, and I feel personally that this industry could use women in it. I feel that women would be able to manage the daily task in the field. As far as the physical labor of it, it does get pretty physical at times. but for the most part, I feel that it's open for everybody. So I do recommend that women also look into this field, and from the videos that I put out there, take down your notes, and just follow along, and I wish you all the best of luck, and I hope you enjoy these videos. And if you could also send comments or recommendations or anything that you might be wanting to know about, send them to my email, which is learn a trade for you. That's learn a trade, the number 4, and then the letter U. Learn a trade for you at gmail.com. Send your comments and suggestions, recommendations, anything that'll help this channel keep going. And I appreciate your support, and I look forward to sending out more videos. Thank you.